everyone, so today I'm going to be doing moving vlog number 2, even though this is actually the same day as the last one, but I wanted to do it separately. What are you doing? You alright?
I'm in my room.
Yeah, that is Alex's room. That's all you've got. Yeah, this is the same day as the last vlog, but I wanted to do this one separate because it is going to be just the empty house tour, and I thought that kind of made its own video, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys the whole house, giving you a tour before we put anything in it. And if you've only just come across this video and you didn't see the last one, I'll leave it linked below, because if you have any questions and you're like, whoa, you've moved, like what's going on, that video will explain everything. So go and watch moving vlog number 1.
Hello.
You're supposed to go, oh, hello, wasn't expecting you.
Oh, hi, come in.
So yeah, I'm gonna start at the front door. So this is the door, and now I'm gonna turn you around and I'll do it all like, so that you don't have to look at me the whole time, because why would you want to do that? This is what you see when you walk in the door, and it does look so similar to the place that we're renting, but it's not the same house, I promise you, but it is a very similar layout, like on the bottom. But this is the front door, and then we've got a little mat, and then this is, oh my god, I need to try and not say little in this video. I just remembered, because in my last one I said little like 500 times. So we've gone for a grey carpet because I love a bit of grey, which is also so similar to the last place, and also we've got the white
personality.
What? What? I don't even know what you just said.
I said my personality.
What about it? Oh, grey.
Grey.
Yes, grey like Alex's personality. So yeah, this is the view from the front door, and if we go to the left, we have a little downstairs toilet. This is so familiar to the last one. And, oh no, the fan's gonna turn on. None of that. Oh no. My hero. This is basically the downstairs toilet. It's not very exciting, but there's a toilet and there is a sink. So that is the first little room. And then to the right, we've got the kitchen. So we went for this like woodeny floor. It's not real wood, it's like a vinyl floor, but I don't mind it actually. I think it's nice.
Like it.
It's growing on me, but I do miss the grey floor from our other place. But we, you know, we can do what we want with this. We can change it one day, but for now, we've gone for a like woodeny looking floor, and then we've got these really nice bay windows, which I absolutely love. Like, I love these windows, they look so nice, and we've got a nice little Alex. And then if you come round from the windows, you've got the kitchen. So this is what it looks like. We've got some cupboards, oh squeaky, a sink, a hole for the dishwasher. Oh no, Evian. This is another cupboard, a hob, some more cupboards. We've got a lot of cupboards. An oven, some more cupboards. Basically, this is the kitchen. Let me just stand back so you can, oh, wait a minute. I always have an urge to do that tune when I'm showing something. Back into the hallway, that's where I came from before. If we go this way, this is my favourite room because, oh, I knew it, the camera just doesn't do things justice, but this is my favourite room because it's actually rather large, like it's so big, and the layout again is so similar to the place that we're renting, but it's like a bigger version of it. It's even got the cupboard right here, which is pretty much exactly the same. So we've got a cupboard there, and then it just goes around here and a bit like this, but the camera just doesn't do it justice. Like, honestly, this room is a whopper. I think when I start putting stuff in it, you guys will see. Alex, come stand in here for a bit of proportion. Yeah, that helps a little bit. That does make it look a bit, yeah.
If I go against the wall.
Yeah, go against the wall. Oh my god, you look tiny. Yeah, that definitely helps to like work out the proportion. But yeah, we've got a room big enough this time to have like a sofa-y bit, but we can also put a dining table here. I'm just really excited to have a dining table. And then this is our little garden, but obviously it's not been turfed or anything yet. It's just a mess, but it's not going to stay like this. We are going to get some grass. But yeah, these are the doors. So you've got the French doors and 2 windows either side. And it's such a hot day today. Oh my goodness, it is actually like we're abroad. It is so boiling. But yeah, this is where we will have the grass, obviously. Yes, when we'll put some grass. And oh my god, my feet are burning. This is the garage, so you can obviously get through with this little door, but I doubt you really want to see the garage. Oh, I can't open it. And then there's also like a little bit around here which I like. I feel like you could put like a nice little outdoor seating bit out here, and it's just so peaceful because there is nothing beyond us. Like there's actually nothing.
Lift the camera up over the fence.
Alex, no! Oh my god, that's really scary. Which doesn't look very nice because there's loads of building stuff, but
oh.
Okay, no, if I catch it at that angle, that is the view. Ooh. I need to go back in because my feet are on fire. So this is the final look of this room, which, did I even say what it's going to be? I think it's pretty obvious. It's going to be the living room slash dining room kind of thing. So yeah, that is that room. And then if I go back out here and turn right, we've got the stairs. So if we go upstairs, I'm going to start off by, so I'm at the top of the stairs, and then if you turn left, we've got this little room. This is the smallest of the bedrooms, and this is going to be like Alex's own little like sort of music room kind of thing. So it just looks like this, and yeah, he's just going to put like his amps in here, his guitars. I really want to get a piano, and I think I might put that in here. If you walk out of that room and turn left, we've got another room, and this is the biggest bedroom of all of them, but I'm actually going to use this as like my office filming room. So yeah, it just looks like this. It's like a sort of long room, and it just goes around like that. And this is going to have my filming background in. I'll probably have it like over there, and I'm going to get like a desk around here and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, we can transform this into a super cute little office. Oh, we're blurry. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? That is that room. And then if we come out of there and go along here, this is boring. This has just got like the is it a boiler? And then if we keep going along and we turn left, we've got another room in here. This is going to be the spare bedroom because we just really wanted to have a spare bedroom this time so that if people stay over, obviously they have somewhere to stay, because last time we had to put them on the sofa. Or on the floor, which is a bit mean. So this time we're gonna have a spare room. And then if we go out of here and turn left, we've got the bathroom, and it looks a bit like this. Have I talked about the tiles yet? No, I don't think I have. So basically the tiles were already in when we found this place, so we didn't get to pick the tiles. And I don't particularly love them. Like, it's not really the sort of thing I would have picked. I don't love the kind of beigey color. I would have definitely gone for like a gray or something like that. But it will do. Like, for now we've got the tiles, and maybe one day we'll change them, but probably not for a long time because it would be quite an effort. But yeah, this is what the bathroom looks like. We've got a bath, toilet, sink, rail thingy, and yeah, that is the bathroom. And it's got the same floor as the kitchen because we've got the same floor like in all of the, what do they call it? The wet rooms, don't they? And then if you come out of there and turn left, we've got another set of stairs. So if we just go up, and then we've got the final room, and this is the master bedroom, obviously, where me and Alex are gonna sleep. So, okay, it's kind of hard to get a good angle, but that's the door that I just came in from. And then this is the room. I'll go through there in a minute, but it just sort of goes round like this. And then there's also this little bit here, which which I absolutely love. Look at that view. Like, honestly, if you ignore the little rails, it's just so nice, and especially because the weather's so nice at the moment, it just looks amazing. Like, the view to me is just my fave. Like, there we go, if you get rid of the like building stuff. And then round here we've got this door, which is just a cupboard, but it's actually a pretty meaty cupboard. Like, look at that, it's a well big cupboard. And then if you go round here, we've got this little bit here, and it's just sort of like an opening. There's no door, but it's just kind of like a gap, if you know what I mean. And this is where they've labelled it as like a dressing area, but I don't really know what we're gonna do with this. I might get some like built-in wardrobes across here because I think that would look quite good. And then to the right, you've got the ensuite. So again, same tiles, same floor, but this is the ensuite, and it is such a big ensuite. Like, honestly, couldn't believe it when we first looked at it, because an ensuite is normally quite small, but this is bigger than the main bathroom. But yeah, it just looks like this. You've got the window there, the toilet, and you've got the sink, the shower, and a little towel rail thing. So this is the ensuite, and then this is what the bedroom looks like from back here. Oh, I'm right in the corner. Actually, that's not a very good shot, is it? Because you can't really see. It's like an awkward shape to be able to show it all, but hopefully you guys kind of get the gist. And then I guess that's it. We're gonna head back downstairs, go and find Alex. Having like 2 lots of stairs is gonna be great because hopefully I'll get a little bit more fit. I'm gonna be running up and down the stairs all the time. Well, not that I tend to do that, but it might help with my fitness a little bit. Here he is. I finished the tour.
Oh, well done.
Oh my god, it actually looks real. Wow. So yeah, that is the empty house tour complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm just really excited to start bringing the furniture in and buying new stuff and decorating and stuff like that. So hopefully the next vlog will have a bit more of that kind of stuff in it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you guys. Oh wait, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you're excited for the moving vlogs, and I'll see you guys in the next one, in moving vlog number 3. Do you want to say bye?
Yeah, alright. See ya.
Bye.